How to add a watermark in PowerPoint. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to add a watermark in your PowerPoint presentation, then the first step is to open Microsoft PowerPoint in your laptop or PC. Then open the presentation where you want to add the watermark. Click on the View option now and then click on the Slide Master option. Then make sure to select the first slide. Now you want to click on Insert, then select Text Box from here. Now whatever you want as your watermark, you want to insert it here. Once you have typed the text, you want to change the font and also change the color of the font. Once that is done, you want to rotate it and now you can adjust it wherever you want the watermark to be. Once you have made all the changes and you want to save this, you want to click on the Slide Master option and then click on the cross button. Once you do that, you will find that in every page the watermark has been added. Now you can save this presentation, and this is how you can add a watermark in PowerPoint. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.